everyone, I am Jansi studying in 8th grade at TSWREIS Coding Academy. Today I am going to explain you about a very fascinating topic, that is stack and queue. So I took the real-time examples to understand this concept more clearly. First, let me tell you what is meant by stack and queue. Stack and queue are the data structures which we'll use to store and retrieve the data. So the stack works on the principle of last in and first out, which is nothing but LIFO. So let us understand this concept more clearly with the real-time examples which I have took. First, see this example. Usually we wear the bangles to our hand, right? So when we wear the bangles to our hand, the last bangle will remove first, isn't it? So like that, this is an example of LIFO. And let us go with second example, that is socks and shoe. First we'll wear the socks, then shoe. But when we are removing this, first we'll remove the shoe, then socks. So this is an example of LIFO. Next, take this plank. So we'll tie our plank and we'll use rubber band, right? So first we'll remove this band and then plank. So lastly we are tying the rubber band, but first we are removing the rubber band. So this is an example of LIFO. And this is a keyboard. So when we enter any word or letter in the monitor with the help of keyboard, after entering that, the cursor will blink here. Here I have took the word coding. So after coding, the cursor will blink here. Next, when I use backspace, the last letter will remove first. So the last letter is G. Then after removing the backspace, the output will be like this, CODIN. Here G has removed. So this is the real-time examples for LIFO. I hope you understand clearly about LIFO. So let us understand queue. Queue works on the principle of first in and first out, which is nothing but FIFO. So these are the real-time examples to understand FIFO. So see this. This is a pen. So when we fill the ink in this pen, first ink will be came out first. So this is an example of FIFO. And see this water can. When we fill this water can, the first filled water will first came out. When we on this tap and when we take this water out, first filled water will came first out. So next, see this code.